ReplyWizard AI has just been released, and it promises to be one of the best AI tools for digital marketers looking to supercharge their customer engagement. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about ReplyWizard AI, and trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because what this tool can do might just change the way you approach your marketing efforts. First off, ReplyWizard AI is designed to automate your customer interaction, from emails to chat responses. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a SaaS business, or just managing customer inquiries, ReplyWizard is built to save you time and effort by automating all your communication tasks. It's incredibly easy to set up, and you can integrate it with your existing CRM, so there's no need for a complete overhaul of your current systems. What makes ReplyWizard different is its ability to understand and respond in real time to customer inquiries, but not just with generic answers. It uses advanced AI to personalize each response based on user behavior and the context of the conversation. This means you can expect more meaningful interactions, leading to increased customer satisfaction and ultimately higher conversions. Now, let's talk about its efficiency. ReplyWizard AI is fast. It processes messages and emails at lightning speed, ensuring no inquiry goes unanswered. This is especially important for businesses that receive high volumes of messages. Plus, it scales with your business. Whether you're handling a handful of inquiries or thousands, ReplyWizard adapts seamlessly to your needs. One feature I'm particularly impressed with is its built-in analytics dashboard. This gives you insights into how well your AI responses are performing, what's working, and where improvements can be made. You can track response times, customer satisfaction, and even the overall performance of your marketing campaigns. Another thing I appreciate about ReplyWizard AI is its customizability. You can fine-tune the AI's tone and style of communication. For example, if you're running a formal business or a fun casual brand, you can set the AI to match the personality of your brand, ensuring a consistent voice across all your communications. But here's where it gets interesting. ReplyWizard AI doesn't just help with customer service. It can assist in sales too. With its ability to recognize buying signals and upsell opportunities, it acts as a 24/7 sales rep, offering personalized product suggestions and promotions, which can boost your revenue without any additional manpower. For those worried about the learning curve, don't be. ReplyWizard's interface is user-friendly, and the AI is incredibly intuitive. The setup is quick, and there's plenty of documentation and support to help you get started. And if you're still unsure, you can try this software for free through the first link in the description below. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that I've tested thousands of AI tools in my time, and I can confidently say ReplyWizard AI stands out as one of the best releases in 2025. If you're serious about automating your customer interactions and boosting your business efficiency, I highly recommend giving it a shot. If you're still unsure, I've included a list of my top recommended AI tools in the description below. These are the tools I've personally tested and reviewed, and they're all available for free trials. Don't miss out on the future of digital marketing. Click the link below and see for yourself what ReplyWizard AI can do for you.